Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rayna, and if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
Rain Gang, welcome back sis for another video. Okay, let's get to Brett has a new gel. A new gel. Now if you know me, you know that I'm a gel girl. Point blank in the period. This hair gel is a 3-in-1. We love a good 3. It's a 3-in-1 water-based protective gel. Not only gonna smooth your waves, your curls, and your coils. It's gonna lock in that definition and moisture while providing some shine. Okay, I'm here for it. You already know. Like if you know me, you know this is right up my alley. Okay, I'm happy to announce that this video is in partnership. It's in partnership with Bread Beauty Supply. Because you know. You get a coin with that.
I like it. All right.
Bread Beauty Supply is disrupting the dated, curly, and textured hair care category with hair care basics for not so basic hair. Bread is for those with curly hair types who want effective, contemporary hair care that not only works, but looks good on the bathroom shelf. It kind of does though. So if you are new, then you won't know that I have talked about Bread on my channel a couple times before. Just organically, I enjoy their products. Partnering with the brand that you truly enjoy and use is always a good thing, okay? You guys know I do have to tell you guys, because I do this in every video, I don't care if it's sponsored or not, this does have glycerin, okay? Just letting you know. Glycerin, not a bad thing, but some people do like to know that it's in their products. So let's go ahead and try this bad boy out. Now, I need to wash my hair. It is a little frizzy, it is dry, and it definitely needs to be styled. All right, we have washed the hair, all right? Okay, so we're just gonna use just the gel by itself. I like to use just the styler when I'm doing any type of video. I like to ensure that it is strictly the product. So if it worked well, I know for sure it was the gel. If it did not work well, I know for sure it was the gel. It wasn't because I used the leave-in, or it wasn't because I used whatever. I think that caught my eye about Bread, was it years ago? A while ago, was the packaging. I am a sucker for packaging. This wetness on my shoulders is really not the best feeling. So I, of course, like to section my hair into 4s. It's similar to a mousse shaving cream bottle. The smell is so refreshing, kind of like a grapefruit-ish smell is what I'm getting. And the consistency is actually quite thick for the bottle that it's in. Of course, it is not like your typical gel from like a jar that you would scoop. It spreads easily, very serum-like. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on our hair. And the application is a breeze. It literally has slip so that it is, you know, gliding down the hair shaft, which I like. And again, nothing is on my hair, just water. It is asking for wet hair, so I'm just gonna go ahead and always follow the directions, because you know that's what they're there for, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna take one more pump on this section. It is suggesting, come on way down, okay? Now it is suggesting that you brush. All right, so the definition is there. It's way down a smidget. It is giving shine. It is giving definition. So this gel is definitely going to clump your curls. Let's move on. So I personally do not like to do my hair on wet hair. I know the girlies will tell you that it is super important, but honestly, it really is just your preference and what works for you. This is asking for wet hair, and I can see why. The application just is way better with it being wet. It really grabs hold to your strands. It almost feels like a shampoo kind of in the application process. Mousse is what it's giving me, but with just way more definition. Go ahead and finish this portion again, because I know you want to see how it looks when it dries. All right, so this is how this side looks so far, okay? The claims are claiming the application is smooth sailing. This is like a mousse on steroids. I don't know if that was the best explanation, but all right. I mean, it's speaking for itself right now. So I didn't use a whole lot. You really don't feel like you need to use a whole lot. Maybe like 3, well, it depends on how thick your hair is, obviously. But for me, it was probably like 3-4 pumps per section. As I continue to wet my hair, it then kind of like reactivates the product, which made it a lot easier to feel like I had enough on my strands. All right, so this is how my hair is looking. Probably like, I would say 45 minutes to an hour. It feels very soft. Yeah, let's go ahead and dry. I do high heat and high setting. All right, so this is how we're looking, just straight diffused. It's soft, but there has a hold to it. I like to enjoy my stretched hair, okay? I think everyone knows about the infamous bread oil glass jar. So aesthetic. You hear that? Okay. But oh, it smells like candy. It smells like a Starburst. A win is a win. A win. And this is why I like to stretch my hair. As you can see, my curls look so good. They look healthy, natural curls. You know what I'm saying? All right, saints. This is how I'm looking. Just the gel, okay? So let's break it down real quick. So my thing is, I like to go by the claims and go down the list and see, does it give me what it said it would? It did. The gel gloss is exactly the consistency, which that's the best way to describe the consistency. My hair does not feel sticky and is not flaking. And you know, I try to wear my black just so y'all can like see, you know, and then the obvious is obvious. There is tons of shine and a lot of definition. So what I like about this is the fact that I can really get any type of day look that I want, meaning I can get a first day look, I can get a fourth day look and still have shine and definition. So that's what gives it more of that polished look, is if it has that shine factor to it. On my frizz prone areas, it did the best that it could. I mean, the strongest of gels really be working through that frizz prone area. It just is what it is. I don't really try to uber manipulate it to be, you know, curls are gonna be curls. Curls are gonna be curls, huh? Somebody? The one thing about me is I need hold. I need my styler to hold me. They have the perfect hold ingredient in their products that won't diminish your scalp or hair over time. So I love when brands take the time to really provide excellence for our hair, because we deserve, period. Boom. Okay, somebody, where is Mama D? They have a polymer that's naturally derived in the product. So again, it's not going to diminish. It's algae based. It's pretty good for your hair. As you know, your hair can definitely experience some issues over time from using products and stylers and all that jazz. I've experienced it. So it's really, really comforting to know that this is trying to help you out. Okay. Hydrolyzed silk and amino acids. It's gonna repair and soften your hair. Bars. You stop being so silly, but it's just basically going to really protect and hold your hair, and it's going to help with your strength and elasticity and arm your hair against breakage. Okay, see how I remembered all that? And to top it off, it has snow mushroom to give moisture and form a hydrophobic film over strands to maintain hydration levels, plus heavily scented, UZ for its natural potassium and antioxidant powers. So I love promoting brands that just get it, that are carefully thought out, that have ingredients that are good for our hair, for our scalp, and all that jazz. You use it different ways. Remember, it's a 3-in-1 gel, but of course I'm gonna do a wash and go or a gel and go, whatever y'all wanna call it. It feels like it's going to get me through the week, maybe like 3-4 days. You guys know I'm active in the gym and stuff, and sweat and all that stuff does kind of kick back my days of wear of hair. Let me know what you think. Everything will be below in the description box for easy finding, links, all that jazz. Yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Again, thank you, Bread Beauty Supply, for sponsoring this video. I rocks with you, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.